Huh?
Hello and welcome back. Today, Grabie sent us 100 watercolors to try out. Take a look at all the different colors we get to choose from today. This set also comes with a sponge to wash your brush in between colors. It also comes with 3 different brushes, a pencil, and a sharpener as well. Not to mention, the watercolor box looks really cute. Here we have all the different colors, and there's a little plastic tab in between. I assume it's to make sure the colors don't mix if they're still wet. I think this watercolor set specifically is one of the best values that Grabie has. It comes with 50 regular colors, 35 metallic colors, 5 fluorescent colors, and 10 macaroon colors. A large variety of different colors. And here's our swatch sheet that was also included in this set. Now to begin, I'm going to start off by coloring the skin tone. One of the first things I noticed about the paints is how nicely they sit on mixed media paper. You usually want to use watercolor paper when painting with watercolors, but they work really nicely on mixed media. But right here you can really tell how nice the paints sit on the paper, and it's just mixed media, so that's pretty cool. And yes, I messed up right here. If you can tell, the black ink wasn't done drying, so it kind of mixed a little, but that's okay. So far, overall, I'm really loving these watercolors. You guys know that all I do is watercolor, so it's really fun to try these out. There's also no problems with mixing, as you can see here as I'm adding the blush. Moving on with the hair, I'm starting off with a light color and then just doing random strokes. Now I'm gonna let the hair dry for a bit and we're gonna work on the clothes. I'm using this color called Candy Light Blue. It works really nice with white clothing to add shadows, and I just love this color so much. Now that the hair has dried, we're going in to add our second layer with a darker color, and we're just adding shadows now. Now I'm going in with the purple color to add shadows all over the skin and under the hair as well. here I'm going in with the metallic black. You can't really tell the shine, but in person it looks really nice. I think obviously with a different color like a pink, it's gonna show out, but overall the metallic colors are super cool to use. Then finally, as part of my style, I'm going in with some colored pencils and just hatching in some areas to add some texture. Now here's our final drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys would love to try out these amazing watercolors by Grabie, make sure to click the link below in the description and use my code JennyDraws15 for 15% off. I really hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful in any way. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're getting super close to 100k subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.